Here, there we go. There we go. Should be perfect. You just line it up. So now we got to go back over. You can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mainly that one piece from the inside. I got a little trouble with the same damn thing.
That's just coming off a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back. So basically, when you get it on the best you can, you got to go back and get it. You can always go back and get it. So let me just want to hold that light right there for me, just so I can see. That'd be perfect. That'll be perfect. That could be what's getting wrong is that gasket. Here we go. I figure that may come off either way. There we go. What I'm actually gonna do is try to unplug this guy too. All right, I can actually move them out the way better. So we'll put it back over. This guy came off too much. I gotta be able to reset it. It's like this. As long as it stays in pretty nice, you know, just don't catch nothing, you'll be fine. So, here's one end, kind of tight, you know, for the most part. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. All right, come on, stupid little gasket, go into the hole. So yours came off fairly easy considering how some of these you got to pick the heck out of these guys to get them off. So that's actually not too shabby. The main thing is you glide it in and leave plenty of play. Now some people like to use a little permatex. I don't ever use permatex. They tell you not to, specifically not to do that. Now I would use GoPro gaskets, you know, they're made for no gaskets. Now you see how that is? Not the same way. Gotta give it back in the same exact way. I gotta put these two guys down into there. Exactly right. So pull that out, that'll be perfect. And I can finagle this in correctly. It almost feels like it's too big. I can understand what you're saying. That's so weird.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take this end up. It's just how this is. It'll go back down. You sure this is the right direction? Nope.
Yep.
It's not.
Because this is where the hose is.
It's not. That's why I won't go on. I was like, what is going on here? All right, that's wrong. That's how. Yeah, never mind. All right, so no worries. I remember, because remember your PVC pipe was right here? That's why I won't fail. I was like, that doesn't make sense. It shouldn't be that difficult. See the PVC? Remember this was right here? That's how. There you go. Make sure everything didn't fall off. This piece come off the back, so we'll just line it back up. Yeah, that's okay. So I do that all the time. So don't even feel bad. I'll really try to put it on there too and tighten it down. No, I'm not that bad.
Oh yeah, okay, I understand right. Yeah, I was thinking of that's where the hose is.
Probably because I had it flipped around over there. I do stuff kind of backwards, so I can turn you off. I put my stuff out like if I'm basing the car, so if you were looking at it, I can see why it would be confusing.
My bad.
No worries, too. That was fucking really good, actually. Okay. The thing just like to flop on. You make sure everything's on it tight and make sure the grommets are lined up. So you see the seals for the grommets? That's going to be the trickiest part. Make sure they don't have any leaks in them and they're all set. I think that looks really good. Once we get these guys back on, we'll be all set. I'm going to check the spark plugs after, of course. We can go ahead and get this back on now. I'm going to pull each spark plug out and check it. I do see what you were talking about down in that hole down. I can see it now. So, oh yeah, 10 minutes. Sorry. I'm going to go in the order we did it. Remember, I did it over here. So this is going to be going just like this and just like this. Oh, yeah, I'm going to just put them in the holes for now. That's it. Put them in the holes for the time being, just like that guy. And then three in the center. So, that'll be top and bottom. Top and bottom of your side. These are the three Velcro bolts here. And then you have top and bottom over there.
Here's your top.
Alright.
Bottom.
Okay, cool. Bottom first, right here, bottom, this is top. Alright, good to go there. And once we got all that stuff in there, we'll put these guys right here. Yeah, so that's not too bad. So basically all 8 and 10 millimeter bolts, right? Pretty much this entire car. Where is my this guy's one I was using? So 8 millimeters on the actual valve cover. Just see how many we got. So let's tighten it back up the same way. We should take our time with it. We're gonna do start pattern, of course. Make sure everything's gonna be secure. Just gently get this going. Started it all we're doing. Then we're gonna jump to the center. And on number 3, and just count as you go. And then number 4, and number 5. I don't want to go too fast on this guy. I wouldn't even recommend using one of these. I just use it because I'm going slow. 6. All right, I'm gonna go back and re-loosen these guys in here too. I'm gonna use a wrench to do all that though, and just retorque everything. Retorque them once they're done. All right. I'm going backwards for a reason. I'm gonna go back and use my wrench now. I'm gonna snug them all up and down the spec. All right, I'm gonna use my wrench. Finish snugging these dumb guys, y'all. All right, Tim, that ain't gonna work.